Yesterday I happened to hear a tip from my friend that if small mangoes and all falls down from your tree, a lot of mangoes here in this mango tree of different sizes, small, big, medium and all that. Some fall at an early stage when they are baby mangoes. You can collect them, wash them, and boil some water, little bit of salt in it, and make them get cooked in that boiling water. Remove it and put it in a pure, dry, clean glass jar, and then add little bit of vinegar or salt and water to preserve it, so that it can be stored as a mango pickle for a few months. You can even store it in the fridge. That baby mangoes being soaked in nice good vinegar or salt water, rock salt water, will be yummy to take along with some rice, curd rice and all that. Just try it, my dear friends. Just take baby mangoes, boiled water, rock salt, and remove it and put it in a jar. Add some little bit of rock salt and boiled cooled water, and let all the mangoes be soaked in the water, and you will get a yummy tasty baby mangoes preserved in brine. Try it. You can even try the other vegetables, ginger and all that, green chilies and all that, like this, with salt and water or vinegar. Try it. You'll enjoy it. Pickled chilies, vegetables and baby mangoes. One way of preserving baby mangoes for a longer time. Good, happy rain. Enjoy the rain with hot masala, ginger chai, some namkeen, some tasty, yummy snacks, a golden brown roast dosa, onion chutney or green chutney or red chutney, chilies chutney, or with sambar, or with brinjal kutsu, or with pakora kadi. I go on telling you, so a lot of options like samosa chaats, papri chaat and etc. And you can even try Chinese bale. Happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light and happiness, prosperity, wisdom and peace. Thank you, mango tree, for giving us lots of mangoes.